Seen this movie? It came out late 90s. I don't necessarily recommend the movie, but there's one thing that I thought was priceless. Jack Nicholson, right? He's this guy who works his whole life for one day. His whole entire life, he's worked for one day. What one day was that? Retirement. Some of you said that with a little bit of energy. Retirement! Yeah! He retired. He and his wife were now going to enjoy life. They bought this beautiful RV. They were going to go travel the country. They were going to enjoy life. Well, along the journey, she, before they even began the journey, has a heart attack and dies. And he's now going, hold on, that's not the way life was supposed to happen. I don't know about you, sometimes as life goes along, it doesn't exactly go the direction we'd like it to go. Well, that's exactly where he was at. And then he's met with this question of, who am I now? What's my identity? What do I do? And he said, as he gets lost on this road to self-discovery, he ultimately says to himself, I guess in the grand scheme of things, we're all pretty insignificant. In the grand scheme of things, we're all pretty insignificant. And I guess the only question we can really ask ourselves is, did I make a difference? What in this world is better today because of me? Did I make a difference? Did I contribute? Did I become? What in this world is different today because of me? Now you realize this, statistically speaking, 1 out of 3 people have some form of mental disorder. Okay, 1 out of 3. So if you look at your 2 best friends and they're normal, you're in. Okay? We want to be the kind of person, and you know what I'm talking about, right? We want to be the kind of person that when you walk into the room, right, and there are 2 types of people. There are those who brighten the room when they walk into it, and there are those who brighten the room when they leave. Right? We do not want to be the latter. We want to be that person who comes in, and we bring energy. We're making a difference. We're doing something different.